This is how great 3D floor plans get started. The difference with Picture This 3D is how effortlessly they come to life. Every design begins with a simple shape, a room. Select a wall and gently reshape it. Drag to resize and adjust proportions intuitively. Break a wall into sections and shift them independently. Watch the room adapt as ideas evolve. Add a room by clicking an adjacent wall so spaces connect naturally, just as they do in real life. Details matter, and they're always within reach. Refine precise measurements manually or directly in the measurement panel using your laser measurement device. Adjust wall height, thickness, shape. Curve walls to create pools and courtyards. Forgot something? No problem. Just pick up where you left off. Add interior half walls, closets, or full rooms before, during, or after the design takes shape. View and edit the space from any angle. Build upward. Add one floor or many and modify each level independently. That's all there is to it. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This is a full-featured design platform with added features for creating digital replicas of actual properties for real estate, interior design, and furnishing sales. In the next video, we will show you how easy it is to add windows and doors, build sunken living rooms, split-level houses, and furnish and decorate your digital property. I'm Richard Hillier, Chief Operating Officer at Picture This 3D. Thank you for watching.